Dimensioning is a process of specifying object information by using lines, numbers, symbols and notes. Note: dimension lines to be used are always continuous thin lines. Types of dimensions. Size or functional dimensions. It is used to define the size, which is length, breadth, height, depth, diameter, etc. of the feature of an object. Location or datum dimensions. It is used to define the position of the feature of an object. Placing of dimensions. Two systems are used to place the dimensions: aligned system and unidirectional system. Aligned system. In the aligned system, the dimension is placed perpendicular to the dimension line, in such a way that it may be read from the bottom edge or the right-hand edge of the drawing sheet. Unidirectional system. In a unidirectional system, all dimensions are so placed that they can be read from the bottom edge of the drawing sheet. The dimension lines are broken near the middle for inserting the dimensions. Elements of dimensioning. Extension lines. Extension line drawn in extension of outline of the drawing. Note: it is recommended that a gap of about 1 mm should be kept between the extension line and an outline. Dimension lines and arrowhead. Dimension line is used to indicate the measurements of an object in drawing. Arrowhead is placed at each end of a dimension line. It is pointed and touches an outline, an extension line, or a center line. Note: the length of the arrowhead should be about 3 times of its maximum width. Leader. Leader is a continuous thin line connecting a note or dimension with the feature to which it applies. Note: the leader is never drawn vertical or horizontal or curved. It is drawn at a convenient angle of not less than 30 degrees. Notes. Notes are text, number or symbols to describe things on the drawing. General rules of dimensioning. Dimension lines should be drawn at least 8 mm away from the outline. Dimensions in a series may be placed in any one of the following 2 ways: continuous or chain dimensioning. Dimensions are arranged in a straight line. An overall dimension is placed outside the smaller dimensions. Progressive or parallel dimensioning. All dimensions are shown from a common baseline. Smaller dimensions should always be placed nearer the view. Dimensions may be placed within extension lines, outside extension lines or use leader. A hole is usually dimensioned by giving its diameter instead of radius. The dimension indicating a diameter should always be preceded by the symbol. When more than one hole of the same size forms a pattern, it is not necessary to dimension each one. One hole is dimensioned, and note specifies the total number of holes with that dimension. An arc is usually dimensioned by giving its radius. The dimension indicating radius should be preceded by symbol r.